Yes, good morning. Now, enzymes. Enzymes are the biocatalysts. Enzymes play an important role in metabolism. Enzymes are found in living things. Enzymes are the biocatalysts. Almost all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. Some nucleic acids behave like enzymes. These enzymes are called ribozymes. Enzymes are proteins. Proteins are in different structures: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. The tertiary structure of the protein chain folds upon itself. The chain crisscross itself, and hence many crevices or pockets are made. This is active site. For example, this is the tertiary structure. When they crisscross each other, crevices are formed. These crevices are called active sites. The tertiary structure of the protein chain folds upon itself. The chain crisscrosses itself, and hence many crevices or pockets are made. This is called active site. An active site of an enzyme is a crevice or pocket into which the substrate fits. Okay. Now, inorganic catalysts work efficiently at high temperature and high pressures. The enzyme get damaged at high temperatures above 40 degrees centigrade. Enzymes which are isolated from organisms found in hot vents and sulfur springs are stable. Means they are found in extreme temperature. Enzymes extracted from that organism are stable. The catalytic power is at 80 degrees and 90 degrees centigrade. Thermal stability of an enzyme is isolated from the thermophilic organisms. There are some organisms which can survive even 900 degrees centigrade. There are some organisms which can survive even minus degrees also. Okay. Now, listen to me please. And now, enzymes, chemical reactions I explained to you. There are two types of changes. One, physical process, two, chemical reaction. Physical process is a physical change in shape without breaking bonds. Another physical process is a change in state of matter. That is, ice melts into water, water into vapor. This is the physical process. Chemical reactions: barium hydroxide plus H2SO4. Barium hydroxide plus H2SO4 gives barium sulfate plus H2O. This is the chemical process. One, physical process, two, chemical process. Physical process means change in the state of matter. Ice melts into water, water into water vapor, different temperatures. And this is the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is barium sulfate and 2H2O. Now, in chemical reaction, inorganic chemical reactions, Old bonds are broken and new bonds are formed. Organic chemical reaction, hydrolysis of starch into glucose. Rate of a physical or chemical process refers to the amount of product formed for a unit time. Yesterday I have explained. Rate is equal delta P by delta T. Rate is equal delta P by delta T. Delta P by delta T. Okay. And now rate also called velocity if the direction is specified. The term enzyme was coined by William Coheney. First isolated enzyme is urease. 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 Okay. Now yes, enzymes are the biocatalysts which alter the rate of biochemical reactions without getting used themselves. Enzymes are the biocatalysts which alter the rate of biochemical reactions without getting used themselves. Enzymes are synthesized by living cells but retain their catalytic action even when extracted from the living cells. This is the important point. Enzymes are the biocatalysts. Enzymes are synthesized in living cells. Enzymes are synthesized in living cells, living organisms. But they retain their catalytic action even when extracted from the living organisms. Chemical processes are influenced by temperature. The rate of reaction doubles or decreases by half for every 10 degrees centigrade change in either directions. Enzyme catalyzed reactions are faster than uncatalyzed reactions. Example, CO2 plus H2O gives, in presence of carbonic anhydrase, H2CO3 carbonic acid. Without this carbonic anhydrase enzyme, 200 molecules of carbonic acid are formed in an hour. With the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, 6 lakh molecules of H2CO3 are formed. And enzymes accelerate the reaction but do not initiate the reaction. So, with the carbonic anhydrase enzyme, 6 lakh molecules of carbonic acid are formed for every second. So, in the absence, 200 molecules are formed per hour. But in the presence of enzyme, 6 lakh molecules are formed in presence of enzyme catalyzed reaction and per second, for every second. Acceleration is 10 million times. There are thousands of types of enzymes, each catalyzes a metabolic reaction. Each of the steps is catalyzed by same enzyme or different enzymes is called a metabolic pathway. Glucose gives 2 pyruvic acids. C6H12O6 plus O2 gives 2C3H4O5 plus 2H2O, 2C3H6, O3 plus 2H2O. A metabolic pathway is a metabolic pathway in which glucose becomes pyruvic acid through 10 different 10 different enzymes. 10 different enzymes. Okay. Now See, the biochemical which is acted upon by an enzyme is known as substrate. In case two biochemicals are involved in a reaction, the same are called reactants. The chemicals formed after the completion of the reaction are termed as products. The final products are called end products. Part of enzyme that makes a part in catalyzing biochemical reaction is called active site. Okay, we have studied. Now, the biological importance of enzymes. Thousands of chemical reactions are taking place in the body of a living organism. All of them are mediated by enzymes. Enzymes are specialized catalysts that operate at biological temperatures. Enzyme mediated reactions do not require harsh treatment. They are pH specific, so that reactions requiring different pH operate in different parts of the body. As they operate under favorable conditions, enzymes force the organisms to live under favorable environment. Enzymes are highly regulated. Their formation is controlled by separate genes. Activation and repression of genes allow certain enzymes to be functional or non-functional in cells. Now, economic importance. ELISA. It is enzyme-based detection of diseases like AIDS. Next, endonucleases. They are enzymes used in breaking DNA at specific sites. DNA fragments are employed in genetic engineering. Alcoholic beverages. Enzyme complex zymase obtained from yeast is used in brewing on or fermentation of alcoholic drinks or detergents. They contain protease for brighter washing of clothes and amylase for dishwashing. Baby foods. Trypsin is added to partially digest baby foods. Streptokinase. This enzyme is used in clearing blood clots inside blood vessels. Okay, and the remaining we will see in the next class. Okay. Oh yes. Yes, a brief description as enzymes are commonly proteinaceous substances which are capable of catalyzing chemical reactions of biological origin without themselves undergoing any change, hence called biocatalysts. Enzymes are synthesized by living cells. The term enzyme was coined by Kuhne for catalytically active substances previously called ferments. Enzymes were actually found out by Buchner with the accidental discovery that fermentation of sugar is not only caused by living yeast cells but also yeast extract. Yes, please. Enzymes. So, and we will study its characters in the next class. Okay.